So here's the next step in our project of building a desk. So first we're starting with two of these Alex. Well, that's the most original name from something I've heard from IKEA. These little cabinets here. Drawers. So we originally wanted white, and we would have just left them white. However, they were out of stock for like 2 or 3 months at least, thanks to COVID. So we bought like black brown ones and then just painted them. So then we wanted a really long desk, 8 feet long, so went to Lowe's and bought 2 pieces of wood here. I forget which type of wood, but 12 inches wide by 8 feet long. But the one thing I probably would have done differently is I bought the cheap wood, the cheapest one, which is, I think it's supposed to be 1 inch thick, but it's barely over half an inch, so it was a little bendy in the middle. I don't know how much weight it could support. So then I got this 3/4 inch by 8 foot long poplar wood. Run it lengthwise to help support the weight. So the cabinet, this will sit on the cabinet and support the weight. And then a couple pieces running this way. And then if it still needs a little more support, I'll just add like a leg somewhere in the middle. I don't want to do that if I don't have to. But let's put this on and see how it looks. Alright, here's what it looks like from the front. Eight-foot-long desk, so we can work from home and do schoolwork from home. Yeah, it might be okay, but I might end up just adding another leg or L bracket or something. It's a homemade IKEA modification.